Drew Scott, born on April 28, 1978, is a Canadian entrepreneur, real estate expert, and television personality best known for co-hosting the popular home renovation and real estate television series, Property Brothers, alongside his twin brother, Jonathan Scott. Raised in Vancouver, Canada, Drew initially pursued a career in acting and had roles in various TV shows and films before transitioning to real estate. With a passion for property investment, he co-founded the real estate investment company Scott Brothers Entertainment with his brother. The duo's dynamic on-screen presence and expertise in transforming fixer-uppers into dream homes have garnered them widespread acclaim and a dedicated fan base. Beyond his television career, Drew Scott is also a licensed real estate agent, a best-selling author, and an advocate for sustainable and energy-efficient housing. He continues to inspire and educate viewers through his various ventures, showcasing his talents not only in the realm of home improvement but also in the broader real estate industry.